Work and play with precision, speed, and total freedom from tangled cords. The best Bluetooth mouse delivers smooth tracking, ergonomic comfort, and long-lasting battery life, making it an ideal companion for laptops, tablets, and desktops at home or on the go. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Logitech MX Bluetooth Mouse. The Logitech MX Master 3S Bluetooth mouse is designed for professionals who demand precision, comfort, and a refined workflow. Unlike many other Logitech mice, this edition is Bluetooth only, which means it doesn't include a USB receiver or charging cable, making it best suited for users who already rely on Bluetooth-enabled devices. The Quiet Clicks technology is another thoughtful addition, reducing click noise by up to 90%, while still maintaining the same tactile feel, which is perfect for quiet environments like shared workspaces. The MagSpeed scrolling feature also elevates productivity, offering fast, precise, and ultra-quiet scrolling through long documents or web pages. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort even during extended hours of use, with the thumb controls strategically placed for easy access. Additionally, the MX Master 3S supports extensive customization via the Logi Options app, allowing users to create app-specific button profiles that streamline workflows. From creative professionals to business executives, this mouse is built for efficiency, comfort, and silent precision. Overall, the Logitech MX Master 3S Bluetooth mouse combines premium ergonomics, advanced technology, and customizable features, making it an excellent choice for productivity-focused users. Number 2. Logitech Master 3S Bluetooth Mouse. The Logitech MX Master 3S Bluetooth mouse for Mac is specifically optimized for macOS and iPadOS users, making it a top-tier choice for Apple enthusiasts who prioritize smooth integration across devices. The Quiet Clicks technology provides a quieter, more comfortable experience with up to 90% reduced noise, perfect for maintaining focus in professional settings. MagSpeed scrolling is a highlight feature, combining blazing speed with pinpoint accuracy, all while remaining ultra-quiet. Ergonomics have been carefully crafted, offering a natural wrist posture and optimally placed thumb controls for long-lasting comfort. Where this Mac-specific edition truly shines is in its seamless workflow capabilities. Users can pair it with up to 3 different Mac devices and switch effortlessly between them while transferring text, images, or files. Battery performance is also impressive, with up to 70 days of use on a single charge and quick USB-C to USB-C charging that provides 3 hours of use from just a 1-minute charge. With predefined macOS and app-specific profiles available through the Logi Options Plus software, customization is endless. For Mac professionals who want power, comfort, and integration, this mouse is a perfect fit. Number 3. Logitech Lift Bluetooth Mouse. The Logitech Lift Bluetooth mouse is a refreshing alternative for those seeking comfort-driven ergonomics in their daily workflow. Specifically designed for small to medium-sized right hands, this mouse stands out with its unique upright form factor that raises the hand into a natural 57-degree angle. This posture promotes better alignment of the wrist and forearm, significantly reducing strain during extended computer sessions. Its softly textured grip and snug thumb rest add to the overall comfort, making it feel supportive and stable throughout the day. Despite its ergonomic emphasis, it doesn't compromise on functionality. The Smart Wheel provides seamless scrolling, adapting effortlessly between precision scrolling and fast navigation. Users can also customize the buttons for personalized workflows, further boosting productivity. This makes it an excellent companion for professionals who spend long hours on spreadsheets, creative projects, or office work. The Lift isn't just about function, it's about well-being too. By encouraging better posture and offering comfort-first design, it helps reduce fatigue without sacrificing performance. For those who find traditional mice uncomfortable or want a healthier long-term option, the Logitech Lift Bluetooth mouse is a thoughtfully engineered solution that blends ergonomics, style, and productivity. Number 4. Logitech G Pro Bluetooth Mouse. The Logitech G Pro Bluetooth mouse is built for gamers who demand pro-level performance in a lightweight, ultra-responsive design. Developed in collaboration with esports professionals, this mouse delivers an impressive balance of speed, precision, and comfort. Its light-speed wireless technology ensures a rock-solid connection with a 1 millisecond report rate, virtually eliminating latency and putting it on par with wired gaming mice. Powered by the Hero 25K sensor, the G Pro offers up to 25,600 dpi with extreme accuracy and efficiency, making it one of Logitech's most advanced sensors to date. This provides smooth tracking and pinpoint precision, crucial for competitive gaming. Despite its high-end performance, the mouse remains incredibly light at just 80 grams, thanks to its innovative endoskeleton design that maintains durability without unnecessary weight. The ambidextrous shape caters to both left and right-handed players, with customizable side buttons for added flexibility. Durability is also a strong suit, with switches tested for 50 million clicks, ensuring reliability during intense gaming sessions. Whether it's FPS, MOBA, or fast-paced esports titles, this mouse keeps up with the demands of professional players. Combining ultra-light design, advanced wireless technology, and unbeatable sensor performance, the Logitech G Pro Bluetooth mouse is the go-to choice for gamers who refuse to compromise on speed and accuracy. Number 5. Logitech MX2S Bluetooth Mouse. The Logitech MX Master 2S Bluetooth mouse remains one of the most versatile and productivity-focused mice in Logitech's lineup. Designed for professionals who juggle multiple devices, its standout feature is Logitech Flow, which allows seamless control across up to 3 computers. Users can move their cursor between screens, copy and paste files, text, and images as if working on a single system, making multitasking smoother than ever. Precision is another strength, with dark-field high-precision tracking that delivers flawless performance on almost any surface, including glass with up to 4,000 dpi. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 70 days on a single charge, and with quick charging capabilities, just 3 minutes of charging is enough for a full day's use. The Speed Adaptive Scroll Wheel is highly efficient, automatically adjusting between hyper-fast scrolling and precise control. Side-to-side scrolling with the thumb wheel further enhances navigation, particularly for working with spreadsheets or creative software. Comfort has not been overlooked, as the mouse features an ergonomic hand-sculpted shape that supports natural hand and wrist positions, ensuring comfort during long hours of use. With well-positioned buttons and premium build quality, the MX Master 2S balances style, performance, and advanced functionality, making it an ideal tool for power users and productivity-driven professionals. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.